Hi, good day, Dr. Nong Hasliza. I am Chen Chen Hui. Today, I will be presenting my project paper titled Improving Airline Service Quality Through Customer Satisfaction Analytics. This study explores how airlines can enhance service quality by analyzing customer feedback more effectively. Let's begin by looking at the background that leads to this study. In the airline industry, service quality is one of the most important factors shaping customer satisfaction and loyalty. Passengers today don't just compare ticket price, they evaluate the entire travel experience from booking to arrival. Low-cost carriers like AirAsia focus on affordability and digital convenience, while full-service airlines such as Malaysia Airlines (MAS) emphasize comfort and professionalism. Yet both face challenges in meeting rising customer expectations. These studies introduce customer satisfaction analytics as a way forward. By combining surveys with tools like sentimental analysis and text mining, airlines can capture real-time feedback and identify service gaps more effectively. In short, the introduction highlights why this research matters. Service quality is the heart of airline success, and analytics is the key of improving it. In this study, the methodology was designed to improve airline service quality through customer satisfaction analytics. First, I adopted a survey-based quantitative approach since airlines rely heavily on structured customer feedback. This allows perception to be measured systematically and relationship to be tested with statistical confidence. To complement this, I included sentiment analysis of passenger reviews, which capture emotional nouns that surveys alone might not be able to provide. Together, these methods provide a holistic view of satisfaction. For analysis, I selected SPSS tool for its reliability and advanced techniques such as regression, factor analysis, and ANOVA. These choices demonstrate methodological credibility and ensure accuracy in handling large data sets. The techniques applied include descriptive statistics, reliability testing with Chromebox Alpha, factor analysis to uncover service quality dimension, regressions to link these dimensions to satisfaction, and sentiment scoring to validate survey results. Finally, by triangulating service data with sentiment analysis, the findings gain depth and validity, while ethical considerations such as informed consent and responsible of public data strengthen credibility. Overall, the mixed method framework ensures both statistical and emotional steps in understanding airline service quality. Here is the problem statement. Despite heavy investment in service quality, many airlines still struggle to deliver consistent customer satisfaction. Issues that such as flight delays, poor complaint handling, and inconsistent service continue to weaken the trust and also loyalty of customers. In Malaysia, AirAsia as example is valued for affordability and digital convenience, but face complaints about delays and refunds issues, while Malaysia's Airlines (MAS) Mars is praised for comfort and professionalism, yet struggle with baggage handling and schedule reliability. These cases show that both low-cost and full-service carriers face different but equal critical challenges. Traditional surveys alone are no longer sufficient, as they miss real-time passenger feedback from social media and online reviews. This highlights the need for customer satisfaction analytics, which integrate multiple data sources to identify the key driver of satisfaction and enable airlines to move from reactive to proactive service improvement. This study has five main objectives. First, to identify the service quality dimension that matter most to the passengers. Second, to analyze how these dimensions influence overall satisfaction. Third, to compare perception between low-cost and full-service airlines. Fourth, to evaluate the use of analytic tools in predicting satisfaction. And finally, to recommend strategies for airlines to improve service quality management through customer satisfaction analytics. This study adopts a quantitative cross-functional design capturing passengers' perception at a single point in time. Data was collected from 150 respondents using a structured questionnaire that measured key service quality dimensions. The analysis was conducted in SPSS, applying descriptive statistics, reliability testing, correlations, and regressions to examine the strength of relationship between service quality and satisfaction. The methodology is grounded in established frameworks, software and aircraft for measuring service quality, expectations, disconfirmations theory to explain satisfaction formations, and the service profit change to link service quality with loyalty and profitability. Together, these approach provide a rigorous foundations for understanding how customer satisfaction analytics can guide improvements in airline service quality. In addition to survey analysis, this study applied sentimental analysis of passenger reviews to capture unstructured feedback. User comments from mobile applications and online platforms were processed using lexicon-based approach in SPSS, chosen for its transparency and reproducibility. Each review was classified into positive, neutral, and negative categories based on sentimental scoring. Descriptive and interference statistics were then used to compare sentiment patterns across airlines. By combining these text-based insights with survey data, the studies provides a richer and more comprehensive understanding of the drivers of passenger satisfaction and highlights areas for service quality improvement. In this session, I will highlight the key findings and their implication for airline service quality. We surveyed 150 passengers with diverse background, ensuring a broad range of customer perspective. The description analysis shows while tangibles such as aircraft comfort and digital service were rated positively, this satisfaction was more evident in reliability and responsiveness. Reliability testing confirmed that the measurement skills were consistent, strengthening the credibility of the result. Correlations and regression analysis revealed that all service quality dimensions are positively related to satisfaction, but reliability and responsiveness are the strongest and most significant drivers. This shows the passenger values consistent performance and quick responses above the factors. Comparative analysis also found difference between low-cost and full-cost service carrier, yet across both reliability and staff responsiveness remain the most important contributes to satisfaction. Overall, the findings suggest airlines should prioritize reliability and responsiveness to improve passenger satisfaction and loyalty. This chart compares the sentiments between AAA and Malaysia Airlines. AAA shows a higher proportion of positive reviews with passengers praising affordability and staff friendliness. MAS, while recognized for comfort and professionalism, records more negative sentiment, often linked to delays and refunds issues. Neutral reviews are fairly balanced. Overall, the analysis highlights reliability and the staff service as critical drivers of satisfaction, reinforce the survey findings, and pointing to clear areas for improvement. To conclude, this study highlights the importance of customer satisfaction analytics in improving airline service quality. The reliability and responsiveness emerge as the strongest drivers of passengers' satisfaction, as consistent service and timely responses build trust and loyalty. By integrating sequel, equal, expectation to confirmation theory and the service profit change, the study provides a strong framework for understanding how service quality influences satisfaction and retention. Importantly, sentimental analysis enable airlines to capture real-time passenger emotions from online reviews and social media, allowing issues to be identified before they escalate. Practically, airlines should invest in real-time feedback and predictive analytics to focus improvement where they matter most. Although limited to Malaysian carriers, the key message is clear: embedding customer satisfaction analytics into continuous improvement is essential for delivering better passengers experience and staying competitive. Thank you.